All right, Ryan, sounds like we might get a little bit of relief for the weekend, but really the wind was the one that caught me today.
Yeah, I think that's what's going to be the improvement through the weekend. There isn't too much wind, and then it's going to come back on Monday. And I think Monday will be actually very similar to today. Sunny, cold, windy. So.
Yeah.
But there are some changes before the end of the 7-day forecast, so hang in there for
All
that.
right.
38 miles per hour, the peak gust today in Portland. We gusted to 41 miles per hour in Rockland and 32 in Bar Harbor. Temperatures on their own today weren't super cold, but it really was the wind that made the difference. We have teens north, 20s south right now, but there still is a wind chill that knocks about 10 degrees off these numbers. It feels like 13 in Bangor, 16 in Portland, and 4 below zero. Current wind chill right now in Rangeley. Storm system sitting up here over the Maritimes. Pressure difference between this high and this system generating the wind today, but that starts to ease as we go through the night tonight. If you're stepping out, though, you've got to dress for really midwinter cold. Temperatures don't really match how it feels. We'll feel more like the single digits as the night goes along. By tomorrow morning, though, the wind does lighten up some. And I think we'll have sunshine for a while tomorrow morning, and then clouds will be coming in from the west, and there will likely be a few flurries and light snow showers tomorrow afternoon. I don't think there's much more than maybe a trace or a coating, but there will be some flakes around. The wind today was out of the northwest. Tomorrow it comes from the southwest, so that helps the temperatures bump into the 30s along the coastline, 20s up north coming up tomorrow. Tomorrow night, other than a flurry, the weather is quiet. It's not as cold and it's not as windy tomorrow night either. Then on Sunday, there is some moisture just offshore, but it continues to look like that's pretty much where it stays. We might have a coastal flurry Sunday morning, otherwise clouds giving way to some developing sunshine in the afternoon on Sunday, but all in all, I don't think we get a whole lot between now and Sunday afternoon. Coating possible in spots. Other than that, I don't think there's just a whole lot. You can see the precipitation shield's not far away, but the storm system itself just pulls off to our east and north. Monday's a repeat of today. It's 20s, gusty winds, meaning wind chills will be colder. And then this area of high pressure builds in for the middle of the week, and the air mass eases up a little bit. So it's not as cold by Wednesday, mid to upper 30s, maybe a snow shower to the north. And then Thursday and Friday, we likely have temperatures that get into the 40s. Seas tomorrow 2 to 5 feet. We'll have a west to southwest wind 10 to 20 knots, gusting a bit higher. So for the weekend, it's still chilly, but just not as windy. Cold returns for Monday, partly sunny on Tuesday, and then we bump the temperatures up. In fact, Thursday and Friday rather mild. Friday depends on the timing of the next front. Right now it looks like it comes through during the middle of the day on Friday, which means rain in the morning, late day clearing, and then we'll turn cold heading into next weekend. But Chris, we have not hit 40 yet this month in Portland, so it might take till the 18th to make that happen.
Which is interesting because you might expect it in early December,
Right.
and you expect it to be less likely towards the end of the month.
Exactly.
Oh well. Thanks, Ryan.
You're welcome.